Good morning everyone, Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. Sorry, the light in the bathroom's kind of bright. I wanted to show you guys what I took out of my tumbler today. My Frankfurt Arsenal tumbler. This thing is huge. I took and I rinsed it out a couple times into my bucket. And now I'm going to show you guys what I've been working on the last couple of days. We've really gone into wind chime season, and because of that I needed a whole bunch of new wind chime parts. So I'll bring you guys down here. I got a little bit more water to get out. I should have a little colander thing, basket to catch all my to let my media go through, but this works for me. All right, let's bring it right here. Okay, so all of this just came out of my tumbler. Lots of wind chime pieces. Some garden stakes. A couple of bracelets. More garden stakes. A new ring. It's got a real pretty rose on it. Sorry, I'm trying to block out the light. More wind chime pieces. So I had to make a bunch of centers and the wind catchers that are on the bottom. That's what a lot of this big stuff is. So as I'm taking the handles off the big forks and stuff, I'm turning those handles into garden stakes or other pieces. Here's a new kitty cat. Where is it? There we go. So I kind of just keep tossing everything in the tumbler until I'm ready to get it all cleaned up. Another kitty cat. Almost there. I have a lot of really pretty wind chimes coming up. Some of our teapots. I'm trying to make enough pieces so that I don't have to make them for a while. I think in these pieces, these chime pieces, it will give us about 12 or 13 wind chimes. And then the big pieces, I just made as many as I possibly could. This is gonna be cool. I think I'm gonna make it a center. Couple more pieces hiding. back in the tumbler. So what I'm using here is, I knew that was going to happen. What I'm using here is a mix of ball bearing, this is all stainless media, ball bearing, the round beads, BBs, and then these misshaped kind of pieces here. See if I can get it to focus. There's 5 pounds of it in here. Alright, so let's see. I think this is definitely, probably the largest amount of stuff I've had in it at any one moment. Bracelets. Got a couple rings in there, just as I kind of find stuff. If it's laying on my bench, I pretty much make it and toss it in the tumbler and then forget about it until it comes out. A couple of new kittens. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm gonna try and make this one of the regular videos that I post, what's in my tumbler. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. And I will get back to work making tons of wind chimes. All right, I hope everyone has a great day. And this was what was in my tumbler.